Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fit artboard to image in Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator file. Now I will fit this image, this artboard. Firstly click on this artboard tools, active artboard. Now select Windows option and open your active artboard properties. Now select artboard option from properties option and select here preset custom area. Here we will find this fit artwork bound. So we select here. Now select OK and see this artboard already fit with artwork. In this way you can fit all of this artboard fit to object. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.